Hey guys, Funk Roberts here, and over the last 12 years, I've been shooting YouTube videos for you guys pretty much every year. In fact, I think I've got about 1,000 videos that I've shot for you guys, and I love shooting workouts. I love hooking you guys up with amazing content because my goal is to ensure that you guys get results. Well, when YouTube approached me with a YouTube membership, I got super excited because I want to be able to reward the guys and the girls on this channel who support me over the last 12 years, who've liked, who've commented, who've subscribed, and who've shared my videos. So today I'm really excited to launch my YouTube membership channel, and I want you to be a part of it. You see, with this channel, you're gonna get extra perks, additional perks that will give you more information to help you get the results you're looking for, to help me and my team shoot more videos for you guys, shoot more content for you guys, and shoot more things that I love to do. So just to let you guys know, if you don't join this membership, you're still gonna get the workouts that we get every single week. You're not gonna lose out on anything. But when you do join, you're gonna get specific perks that'll give you more videos and more information. So let me just break down how this works. So when you join, the first thing is our first level, which is my support soldiers. Our support soldiers are gonna get badges and emojis that you can use during regular videos and our live talks to let people know that you support the Funkster and you support the Funk Roberts Fitness Army. So that's level number one. Level number two are called my workout warriors, because in this level, not only are you gonna get the badges and the emojis, but you're also gonna get an additional workout every single week. That's right, you're gonna get an additional follow along workout. So on top of the regular one that I post every Thursday, every Tuesday, you guys are gonna get new workouts that again, you can add to your training regime to ensure that you get incredible results. Our third level is called my challenge champions. Now, not only are you gonna get the badges and the emojis, you're also gonna get access to that additional weekly workout, but my challenge champions, you guys are gonna be participating in a monthly challenge that I'm gonna give to you guys every single month. This monthly challenge is a workout challenge that again, will help you get better results. And finally, these are my Get It Done Gangsters. This is the highest level, my Get It Done Gangsters. You guys, not only are you gonna get the badges, the emojis, the weekly workouts, and the challenge, but you're also gonna get a 28-day program every single month. That's right, I'm gonna hook you guys up with a 28-day program every month, a workout program, again, with follow-along workouts to ensure you have everything you need to get results, burn fat, build muscle, and get into the best shape of your life. And that is my Get It Done Gangster level. So, and it's very simple. How it works is you're gonna click on the community tab, and on that community tab, that's where I'm gonna give you guys and share with you guys not only the perks that I told you about, but also some extra things. Dex, who's behind the wheels of steel here, we're gonna shoot some additional content for you guys. You're gonna see some behind the scenes stuff, things that no one else sees outside of this YouTube membership site. So I'm super excited for you to join, to support. And again, my goal here is to bring you guys more content, right? To bring you guys behind the scenes, but also give you guys everything you need to get in the shape. Because right now, we are in a crazy time right now where we need more home workouts. We need to ensure that we increase our health and our immunity, and we need to do everything we can to keep ourselves the healthiest we can be. So this is why I'm here. This is why I'm launching this, and this is why I want you to be part of this. And again, I want to make you guys understand that if you don't join my army, if you don't join the Funk Roberts Fitness Army, you're not gonna lose anything. You're still gonna get the weekly workouts that I post every Thursday. You're still gonna get access to that. It's just when you join the army, you're gonna get additional perks. You're gonna get additional emojis and badges to let other people know, hey, I'm part of the Funk Roberts Fitness Army. I support the Funkster, and I also get extra gifts and perks to help you get in the best shape of your life. Listen, I love you. Everything you've done has helped support me, has helped grow this channel to where it is today, and I appreciate you 100%, and now I want to give back even more to you. So yeah, join the YouTube membership. It's always going to be changing, and I'll see you on the other side. Get it done.